Hello, good afternoon, it's Wendy here from Wendy's Crafting, and today I'm doing another case. It's Saturday. Now, some of the things I haven't got, but we're going to get through it. So this is what I'm doing today. I've got two tables together in a row, but I still haven't got enough room. Right, it's from the Simply Elegance, page 68. These papers are absolutely beautiful, absolutely gorgeous they are. Don't know what that one is. They're all shimmery and yummy yummies. Now I haven't got the stamp, so I'm having to improvise. Okay, but this is what I'm going to try and do. Is case is that one. Right. Come back. Oh dear. Right, first thing I'm going to do is get my mat out. Get my mat out and get a stamping block, not that one. I don't know where all my blocks have gone. It's crazy. I'll have to use this one then. Now, what I've got here, there, right. Where I got this was from my bucket of bits. What I do is when I've got a spare bit of time, not spare bit of time, but when I feel like it, I get all my little scraps and I cut them into various sizes and stuff for to do sentiments on. Right, now then, where's that one good? That's just vanished. Who's under the bucket? Oh dear, hope it's not going to be one of those days. Now that I'm using which one is this? You Are Always in My Heart. Now this is from the Always in My Heart stamp set. I'm going to be using black Memento ink to stamp it with. Now I got a spare bit of paper, yes. Now because I haven't stamped with this before, I am going to stamp off once to see what it's like. Yeah, it's not too bad, is it? Give it a little squish. Don't do that when you got ink on though, because that will make a mess. You know, when it's on your cards, don't do it. As I say, not do as I do, as they say. Oh, says I got my finger in there already. Look. If you hold it up, you can see where you've where bits have got the ink. Right, I'm going to square that up and try and get this onto there, which seems a bit of a problem for Wendy. This is right. Do you hold your breath when you stamp? It's crazy, isn't it? I'm not pressing it too hard. I'm just leaving time for the ink to absorb into these cards. And then this, when you pull this off, you've got to be quick at it. Right, I'm going to put that across the back there. Where's that picture gone? Oh dear. Living in a fruit. I'm going to sort this filming area out because I seem to be running out of lots of space. Right, what I've got here now, right, where's my tools? I have got a piece of the GSP that measures 2 inches by 5 7/8. Should be, yeah, 5 7/8. This piece here should be 5 7/8 and 3.5. Now here I haven't got any gold just a moment, so what I'm doing, I'm going to be using some of this beautiful velum. It is beautiful, shiny, rough shiny on one side and matte the other. So I'm going to use the shiny side up. Oh dear, dear, dear. Right, this again is 2 inches by 5 7/8. Right, and so I start with the card with, oh dear, I've left a note on the door to the spa delivery person to say, please don't ring the bell, I'm doing a video, so hopefully they won't. Right, this is 5 7/8. Oh, I'm going to open it out, don't I? By 11 5/8. Don't ask me why I did that. I've got no idea. Well, actually, what I did was I measured the length of these bits, made sure these were all 5 7/8, and then I cut a piece 5 7/8, and I thought, yeah, leave it that size. Don't always want little bits, do you? Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do the stamping. However, oh, these ones, yeah, oops. Because I don't want anything to go wrong, probably will, but there we are, that's right. And because I don't want anything to go wrong, I'm putting it in the stamparatus. Now, the beauty of this is you can just line it up wherever. I made sure that the paper is lined up to the edge there, and I make a little mark on the corners there. So you line it up there. Oh, I forgot my magnet. Yeah, magnet's gone somewhere. Probably stuck to something else. Right, so it doesn't matter because we've got that mark there, and I'll mark this down here as well. So when it comes apart, it'll, oh, where is it? Yeah. Oh, it's not what I thought it was going to be. Oh dear, it's the days of things running away. Now, because I haven't got the stamp set to go with that, to go with the Simply Elegance, it's showing here that they're using the stamp from there. So what I'm going to do instead, I'm going to use this, which has got a little bit of, frills and curls and things on. So what I do now is I've got the paper in the right place, all lined up. And I'm going to put, where have they got it? They got one here, haven't they? So I close the lid to pick that up, put it back where it was. Now the good thing about the stamparatus, it is, it's designed so that when you put it down, you've got something to press onto when you're inking. I wasn't going to get this stamp set, but now that I'm looking at it again, it's quite a lacy type of set. What I'm using, I think, is called, oh, hold on, I wrote it down somewhere. Ta-da! Basic Grey, this is. And I'm using the black Memento ink to do it. Look at that. It's not very good, is it? But I'm going to try and keep it down this way, if you know what I mean. That's not bad, is it? I'm going to clean that off now. Right, so I've got one there, and with this, there's another one at the top there. So we're going to put, and I'm not going to line it up with this corner now. Make my mark. As you can see, very straight mark. Doesn't matter. You can line it back from there. And black again. No, Wendy, not that way. Oh. look what I did. I inked the wrong side. Oh dear me. Right, I'll put it there, Wendy. Right, that goes there, that goes there, that goes there. And then I close it. It is much easier actually when you have got the magnet, because it keeps the paper down. Right, this one. Everything's moving, isn't it, today? I don't think we're having an earthquake. We've had a few of them actually in Britain. Well, Wales, that's what I can say, in Wales. Right, then put the bit back on there. Right, so we've got a bit there. Going to close that and put it out the way. Right, so let's build this, shall we? And then, first of all, we're just going to line this up for now, okay? Because I want to know, I think I'll use the shiny side up. Now, if I put that there, is it going to be covered by that and that? Oops, not that side. Yes, it will, so that's okay. And then this one comes here. So if I could stick this down first, around there-ish. I'm putting glue on the edges, mainly because the paper going over the top of them, so you won't see it in any case. Shut the lid, Wendy. Now then, you see with vellum, unfortunately, it does tend the glue does tend to show up there. Right, so that's that piece done. And because it's such a thin vellum, it's not going to give your card any bulk or anything. I'm going to do my grey one. Line that up. And because I've done the 6 7/8 all the way around, it is easy to line up, she says. Come on. Oh dear. Right, just take that to the end there without the... I'm trying to get it so there's any white showing. I'm also trying to avoid touching anything. And then this one. That can go on the side there. Make sure that I have got it. Sometimes it's best just to open the card up so you can see exactly whereabouts you have it. So that's going there. And then this will go on there with dimensionals. What else am I missing? Oh, the thread. What I'll do is put one of them down then. And this will help catch the thread then when I it's a miserable day here today. It's humid. And now and again we get a shower of a drizzle. Drizzle shower? Shower of drizzle. Now I couldn't decide whether to go for that one or that one. So I'll do both. I can do both because my card. Right, put that the right way round. Get these bunched up here. And then I'm going to put that over the top of it. There we go. And now I'm going to use my blunt scissors. Oopsie daisy. And there we go. In case it's Saturday, this is the original there. and this is my version. I quite like doing bigger cards nowadays, because you feel like you get more chance to fiddle with, decorate it up. So I thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and it's always handy if you could subscribe as well, please, because every 100 subscribers I do a giveaway. All right, so thank you very much. I look forward to hearing your comments. Bye.